Hey loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz, and from the title of this video you can tell we are back with a hair finesse, but this time it's a headband wig. If you want to see how you can get protective styles that are affordable, that are also manageable and beginner friendly, I would suggest that you stick around and watch this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that jazz, and keep on watching.
All the good vibes running through my mind. Nothing can stop me, I'm on a high. All the good vibes running through my mind.
Okay, so the hair I'll be reviewing today, as I said before, it is from Unice or UNicehair.com, and this is 26 inches Waterwave. What I did was to go ahead and co-wash the hair because it's one, hygienic for me, two, I get to, see the true pattern of the curls, and I just love the feeling of the hair when it's co-washed. So I did go ahead and wash it, and what I did also was to add some really loose wand curls to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So what I did was to go ahead and just stick the combs in to the sides and to the middle, not too tight, so I can have it, kind of snug the way I want it. The next thing I'll be doing is to, kind of style my edges a little bit, and I'm using the Got To Be sculpting kind of gel. It's not an edge control, I don't know what it is, but I want something really, really light on my hair right now, and I don't want too much product in my hair, but style this how you like, So my edges are now styled, and I'm just gonna go ahead see how this is really simple. Like, I'm overcomplicating this thing, but honestly, you just pop it onto your head and that's it. So now you're seeing why I added these curls. It adds more volume to a Waterwave. Texture is not really like thick, and I love my deep wave kind of texture because of the volume. You could wear it like this. You could obviously kind of like tease the curls out a little bit. You could use a wide tooth comb. I'm just using my fingers to kind of loosen the curls. It's so pretty. Look at that. Ooh la la. In my package, I did get 2 headbands, and I also had another one. So I have 3 headbands. I'm just gonna show you, different looks using the headband. Then I'm gonna try a few other styles if you want to switch it up and not just do like bear down on your face like that. Okay, so this is the first headband, and this one is definitely kind of like chill, daytime, all of that. If you want, you can fluff the hair out and kind of like push it to the front, like forward, like so. Or you can put it back, still fluff it out. And I really like how this looks. This adds like a nice little pop of color. You look like you're just coming from the salon, but literally you pop this onto your head and you're good to go. So this is the first headband. Again, this is the unit and the curls, and they look bomb. So this is the next headband, and this is literally just like a band. I really love the neutral colors. It goes well with this little fit, but I'm loving this headband. Nothing too much. This mimics the band that's actually on the wig, but it adds color. So I like it a lot. Complements the look. So this is the final headband. This is definitely giving kind of like a fall vibes with the orange and the yellow. So I'm gonna keep this one on, and yeah, let's see. The first look is a half up, half down. Obviously, you just take some here at the top and you just wrap that thing. This takes us to the end of another video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This look was so fun and it was very, very easy. So if you're not into closures like myself, or if you are not really good at laying frontals and you need a little bit more time to learn it, because it does take time, this is the hair for you. You really don't need to leave out a lot of your edges, because I didn't, and it still looks bomb. So if you have thinning hair, all of that, all you need is to just finesse this thing. If you don't want to add heat to this unit, you can obviously leave it in its natural form. This is 26 inches of Waterwave, and I showed it in the first clip of what the natural state is like. I went ahead and added some curls just for my liking. So yeah, it's all up to you. This just shows you how versatile these kind of looks are. And don't forget to shop the link in my description box. I have everything linked there, and you can go ahead and shop with Unice and grab your headband wig. Again, this is the Waterwave in 26 inches. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, you could follow me on Instagram for lifestyle, fashion inspo, all of that jazz. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.